This is Colin with Anytime Fitness in Kalamazoo on Stadium Drive. Today on Keto Shorts, what I'm going to show you is how to make a garlic, keto-friendly pizza crust. So what you'll need to do this is 2 cups of almond flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of sea salt, some minced garlic, a tablespoon of that, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you preheat your oven at 425. So I have my 2 cups of almond flour, getting my half teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, and then my coconut oil. The coconut oil must be melted. Now we're gonna mix that all up. So once you have your dry and wet ingredients mixed, you should have a nice ball of dough. So make sure on your baking pan that you put some parchment paper or a reusable piece of silicone down to ensure that you don't get a messy baking process. So put it down, flatten it out. If you have a rolling pin, definitely go ahead and utilize that. You want your pizza crust to be about 1/4 of an inch high. And you want to make sure that it's as even as possible. So after your pizza crust is nice and flat, you are going to put it in the oven. You are going to bake at 425 for 15 to 20 minutes. While your pizza is cooking, what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and a tablespoon of minced garlic, and you're just going to put it in the microwave and melt the butter, and that's going to be our spread that we're going to put on top. Once your pizza crust is completely done and you have your butter garlic mixture, you're going to take that out while it's still hot and just spread that across like so. Man, I wish you could smell that right now because it smells wonderful. And then after you get the spread on, you can feel free to add whatever you would like. Tomato sauce is keto friendly in that it's a low amount of carbohydrate per serving, so you can still get away with your typical tomato sauce. Be careful of just buying off the shelf pizza sauce. Remember, with keto, it's very important to keep track of what your carbs are, so be mindful of what you're buying and putting on top of your pizza. But I personally will be putting on some mushrooms and olives and bacon. Mwah! Chef Colin, stay hungry, my keto friends.